Hi, I'm John Clevin from Metropolitan Detail, and this is my new Porsche 356. Well, it's not exactly new, it's 57 years old, so it's got some patina. It's got some swirl marks and scratches and imperfections in the paint, but we're gonna get it looking its very best. And after that, we're gonna protect it with a ceramic coating. And now that the car has been washed, we can actually go and do a proper inspection of the vehicle. For this, we actually lift the car up in the air so we have it at eye level and so we can see all the defects in the paint. As we walk around the vehicle, you'll see that there's a lot of areas of chipped paint. There's been improper repairs that have been made. So here, this has got a really rough texture. It also has like runs in the paint. There's a crack here. So there's some sort of body filler that was used at some point and it's cracked over time. Could have been from an impact, could have just been from shrinking down over time. So as we make our way around the vehicle, you'll notice that this area has also been repainted, has a lot of fish eyes in the paint. Someone tried doing a little bit of wet sanding in this area to clean that up a little bit, but they didn't finish the job and polish it out properly. The roof has definitely been repainted. There's definitely a lot of fish eyes, sanding scratches, things like that in this area. As we work our way back here, there's even more blood lines. So what's happened with this vehicle over time, a lot of repairs have been made and they've just been a spot-in repair, just fix small things at a time, and it definitely shows. You'll notice there's a very, very uneven texture here, and it just was sprayed very dry, and so it has a lot of orange peel. Here you can see there's a blend that's been made. So some sort of a repair was made up in this area, the roof maybe, and they stopped painting here. So rather than painting the entire panel in one paint job, they just stopped the repair here. So as you may be able to hear this, it's very rough. So it does not have a smooth texture to it at all. Also, as we keep working around the vehicle, you'll notice that this has repairs that have been made in this area, and it looks like someone tried doing a little bit of wet sanding here, but they didn't finish the job and polish it out. So there's definitely been a lot of different repairs around the vehicle, and I think we can make a pretty substantial improvement by finishing the sanding job and also doing some proper paint correction. And there we have it. We've wet sanded the entire car. We've performed a 3-stage polish to remove those sanding scratches, remove the swirl marks, and bring out a tremendous shine. And then after that, we sealed it all in with our top of the line ceramic coating. So as we walk around the car, you'll notice that the gloss is tremendous on this thing now. The reflections are crisp and clear. It doesn't have that orange peel effect that it did before. A lot of the defects that were there are gone. And as we walk around, you'll notice that these blend lines all over the car are much less visible than they ever were before. So although it's not a new paint job, it looks pretty darn good. And I'm proud to take this thing to car shows and car events this year. It's going to be a great ride.